Having trouble auto-starting XAMPP services on your headless server? Keep watching for the solution. Hello people of the internet, today I'm teaching you 2 easy methods to start the XAMPP server on Windows Startup without having to log in. Good, right? The 2 options are Service Method and Task Method. If you don't have the XAMPP server already, download links are in the description. Let's start with the easy and recommended option, Service Method. I will note the disadvantages of this option first. 1. It may interfere with other applications like Skype, but it can be fixed by changing the Apache server ports. 2. If the XAMPP files are infected, it's more likely to get ignored by the antivirus software. Keep those in mind. Okay, first what you have to do is start the XAMPP control panel with administrator permissions. Now go to the service column with red cross symbols. Click the cross button and hit yes for every server you would like to start with Windows. Remember, these options won't be available if you don't start the control panel with admin privileges. What this option will do is installing each server as a Windows system service. You can go for the second option if you don't like having more system services. Alright, now we'll restart the PC. Here we are in the login screen, not logged in. Let's check trying to visit this IP from another PC on the same network. Works perfectly. Okay, now we'll try the task method. First open the XAMPP control panel. No admin privileges are needed. Click config. Go ahead and tick all the services you want to start here. Save. Let's try restarting the control panel. As you can see now it auto starts with the control panel. Let's check from another device. It works, but we're not done yet. If we try restarting the PC without logging in and visit the page, it doesn't work anymore. We'll fix that now. Open up the Start menu and search for Task Scheduler. Open it up. Select Task Scheduler Library, then create a new folder there so we won't mix it up with system services. Select the new folder and create a task. Give it a name. Make sure you select these options to run without having to log in. Add a new trigger as startup. Make sure it's enabled. Now add a new action. For this, select xampcontrol.exe from the XAMPP installation directory. Make sure everything's okay. Now enter your password and hit OK. That's it. Now let's try restarting the device. Voila, works like a charm. 2 disadvantages in this method. It will take a bit more time to start than the service method. Also will use a few more megabytes of RAM. Enjoy your headless XAMPP server. That's it for this video people. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment. You can ask for more tutorials and questions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more cool videos like this. Subscribers also can enter future giveaways on TechTac. If you liked my video you can support me on Patreon to buy me a coffee so I keep creating more cool videos like this. Links are in the description. Okay, see you peeps in the next video. TechTac, out.